Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying the life with your sweet family and friends. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So if someone's suffering from any fever, disease, any pain, I wish and I pray Allah will give them good health. Ameen summa ameen. So let's back to video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, beautiful wooden projects. It's too much impressive and inspiring ideas about beautiful creative things with a beautiful hands, wooden projects. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. You can see in this video very amazing and stylish and beautiful, useful ideas, useful things, wooden projects, wooden things ideas and wooden decorated ideas. So please don't skip my video. You can see in this video wooden decorated ideas, wooden tables, wooden chairs, wooden different ideas about beautiful decoration pieces and amazing wooden use of houses. So what you want to see in the next video, comment me in comment section. It's all our fantastic and fabulous ideas, cutest ideas and stylish ideas about beautiful wooden projects. It's too much stylish, impressive and adorable elegant styles about wooden projects. Super duper ideas, cutest ideas about beautiful wooden projects. Amazing and cutest ideas about wooden projects. You can see in this video different ideas about beautiful wooden projects. If you want to get many more ideas, then please visit my channel and visit these beautiful ideas. So you can easily get these all beautiful ideas about beautiful wooden projects from this channel and from this video. It's a wonderful ideas. It's a fantastic and fabulous ideas about beautiful wooden projects. So beautiful and so elegant styles about beautiful wooden projects. You can see in this video different wooden ideas, wooden things, wooden projects. Okay, now we have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. See you again till the next video. Goodbye. Have a nice day and superb day and beautiful day. Allah Hafiz.